Traders, August 14, 2018. The market is closed. Going to report on BFCH, Bit Frontier Capital Holdings. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you're looking to take a live trading course with me, you can visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. So let's review it. BFCH yesterday actually trailed down. Let me just show you what the daily looks like so you guys have a better idea of what I'm looking at. So this is where it closed yesterday. Opened there and closed there for an upside down hammer. You see that? Not too much of volume, but the MAC histogram was negative. Today, after the market, actually prior to the market close, a buyer stepped in and said, "Oh no, we're not letting the resistance and sellers take over. We're going to come in and hold this up." That's what they did. Solid up move, 2 million shares on the plus side. Closed at 0.0052. Got a nice bullish engulfing pattern with an upside down hammer. So this does look like a bottom right here, and it looks like it'll start trailing up. See what happens moving forward. Remember, support was around this level, about half a penny or so. All this is support. See what happens in the coming days. Once again, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you're looking to learn the trading language and would like to learn for myself, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.